Hi there, this is Ashwarafi once again. Welcome to this step-by-step Shopify dropshipping website setup course for beginners, where you will learn what is dropshipping and how does it work, the resource to find cheap but good quality products, how to choose the right product to sell in your store, how to set up your new store from scratch without spending a single penny. Without further ado, let me start this tutorial by answering what is dropshipping and how does it work. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell physical products without owning them or without ever touching the real product. You don't need to produce anything. You don't need an inventory, and most importantly, anyone can start this $1 million business with less than $70 investment. And this is why dropshipping is the very beginner friendly profitable business model of this time that is being popular day by day. Now, let me explain how dropshipping works. We are going to find and select products from Aliexpress, which is an e-commerce marketplace where millions of products are being sold by the suppliers directly. And as we are going to purchase the products directly from the suppliers, we will get good quality products at a very cheap price. Let me show you an example in real life. When we are seeing this exact looking necklace on Aliexpress with the price tag of less than $5 on the same necklace is priced by a seller with a $25 price tag. So there is a $20 pricing gap for this exact necklace between Aliexpress and so if you place this necklace with the price tag of 18 to $20 on our Shopify store, it will be much cheaper than Amazon. Customers will find our listing as reasonable to purchase from and will generate orders on our website. We'll straightly go to Aliexpress and place the order there by giving our customers information in the shipping address field. Then we have to let our supplier know that this is a dropshipping order and we'll instruct them not to add the money receipt or pricing information into the package. And we can also request our supplier to use our business label to do the branding for us. And they will be happy to do so as they're actually generating revenues too. And this is the process that we'll repeat and we'll keep the change in between the original product purchasing price of $5 and the selling price of $20. So now you might be going to ask, can't the customer go directly on AliExpress to order this product at that cheap price? The answer is yes, they can, but 98% of people doesn't even know about AliExpress and they have no idea about dropshipping thing which exists in the online shopping world. If this business model sounds interesting to you, you might be going to ask if it is possible to do dropshipping from any country, and the answer is yes. I am from Asia, I am doing dropshipping successfully and you just need a computer with an internet connection to get started. So here in this video we learned about what is dropshipping and how does it work. So let's move on to the next topic.